Hello friends, good morning all of you. Here I am Gadekar Sachin Pandit. Today we are discuss a valence shell electron pair theory in which bonding and shape of xenon oxyfluoride molecule formation, that is XeOF4 types of bond formation by using valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, that is hybridization of sp3d2 types of hybridization. Also discuss a arrangement of electron pair valence shell electrons. Okay, arrangement of electron pairs and their shape of molecule. Also discuss a limitation of valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. So last lecture we are discuss a formation of xenon trioxide molecule. Okay, so xenon trioxide XeO3 bonding and shape of molecules we are discuss. Okay, so xenon trioxide molecules involves a sp3 types of hybridization. Sp3 means 4 electron pairs are present, that is tetrahedral geometry. Okay, so three oxygen atoms are present. It means three electron pairs are present and forms a trigonal pyramidal types of shape. That is xenon trioxide present a tetrahedral geometry and trigonal bipyramidal shape. Okay, also discuss a type of hybridization, and then we discuss a back bonding. D orbital containing 3 unpaired electrons. These are not involved in bonding. So they involve in back bonding with oxygen atom. So xenon oxygen, one sigma bond forms and one pi bond. Pi bond form because of back bonding. These we are discussed in last lecture. So today we are discuss a bonding and shape of xenon oxyfluoride, that is XeOF4 molecules. Okay, so in this bonding and shape of XeO4 OF4 molecules, formation of octahedral geometry. Octahedral geometry, it means that 6 electron pairs are present. Okay, so 6 electron pairs, it means a formation of octahedral geometry, means 6 electron pairs are present in surrounding of xenon atom. Okay, so this xenon OF4 forms a square pyramidal shape. Why? Because a 4 fluorine and 1 oxygen, that is 5 electron pairs are present in xenon molecule surrounding. So 5 pair of electron bond pairs present and forms a square pyramidal shape. So here now we discuss a formation of xenon oxyfluoride XeO4 XeOF4 molecules. So in which we use a sp3d2 types of hybridization. It means present a 1s 3p and d2 or 2d orbitals involved in hybridization. 1s 3p and 2d hybrid orbitals are involved. Okay, so what is the electronic configuration? Valence shell electronic configuration of xenon: 4d10, 5s2, 5p6. This is the ground state electronic configuration of xenon. What is the ground state electronic configuration of oxygen? 2s2, 2p4. Okay, what is the ground state electronic configuration of fluorine? 2s2, 2p5. Means fluorine atoms needs a 1 electron to form say stable. Oxygen atoms needs to a 2 electrons to form a stable. Xenon is a stable electronic configuration, that is 5p6. All electrons are pure, but we supply external energy and they promote. 5p electron promotes to d orbital, okay, to form a excited state, and then oxygen and fluorine combines to form a xenon oxyfluoride, XeO4 type of molecule. Okay, so one Xe, one oxygen and 4 fluorine atom combines to form say 5 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond and 1 lone pair of electron. Okay, so it means 6 electron pairs are present in this molecule, so that is octahedral geometry are formed, and 5 sigma bond means pair of electron present, it means square pyramidal types of shape. So here hybridization concept, hybridization of xenon oxyfluoride. What is the ground state of xenon atoms? 5s2 5p6 electron. These are paired, but they are excited. Xenon atoms excited state electronic configuration is S2 P3 and D3 is 5s2 5p3 5d3. Okay, so in which d orbitals ground state used for pi bonds with oxygen atom. Okay, so next is the F atom, ground state F atom, fluorine atom is unpaired electron. These used for sigma bond formation with sp3 d2 hybrid orbitals on xenon. But in last, oxygen atom ground state electronic configuration contain 2 unpaired electron, 2s2 and 2p. 2p orbital contain 2 unpaired electron, one used for sigma bond with sp3d2 hybrid orbitals on xenon. Another oxygen atoms unpaired electron used for pi bonds with 5d orbitals of xenon. Okay, so oxygen atom contain 1 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond. Okay, so these forms a B types in right hand side, B figure. It is a octahedral because it contain 6 electron pair and 5 bond pair. 4 chlorine and 1 oxygen are bond pair and 1 lone pair present. So octahedral geometry. So in figure C, this is the square pyramidal types of geometry because of we can geometry, not geometry, its shape. C, figure C is a square pyramidal shape because contain only 5 pair of electron, bond pair of electron. So it's square pyramidal shape and octahedral. B is a octahedral geometry in xenon oxyfluoride molecule. So here arrangement of electron pair and shape of molecule. Okay, so first column serial number, second column number of electron, and third column arrangement electron pairs and kind of hybridization, and third is the bond pair, lone pair, and next is the molecular shape and formula, and last is the example. Suppose first 2 electron pairs are present in molecules at that time, its arrangement, electron pair arrangement and hybridization is linear, sp hybridization. or diagonal type of arrangement. And bond pairs is present only 2. Lone pair 0, at that time molecular shape is linear. A, B, 2 types of molecule, and forms a barium chloride, barium fluoride, ethane, carbon dioxide, disulfide, mercury dichloride, etc. This is the 2 electron pair containing molecules and linear shape. 2 bond pair are present, 0 lone pairs are present. So second example containing 3 electron pairs, that is arrangement is trigonal planar and sp2 types of hybridization. Present 2 types of bonded pair of electron. First is 3 bond pairs and 0 lone pair. At that time trigonal planar types of molecular shape. Example: B, boron trichloride, gallium trihalides, etc. If second example containing 2 bond pairs and 1 lone pair, at that time phi shape. Example: tin dichloride in gas state, lead dichloride or lead bromide, etc. This is the example of V-shape molecule. Okay. Second example, 3 electron pair at that time, 2 situation. 3 bond pairs also present at that time, trigonal planar geometry or shape. If 2 bond pairs and 1 lone pairs at that time, V shape. Okay. So third example, electron pairs present 4. Okay. So its arrangement is or geometry is tetrahedron or tetrahedral. Okay, sp3 types of hybridization. So if present a 4 bond pair, 0 lone pair to form say tetrahedron types of shape. Example: boron tetrachloride, barium tetrachloride, etc. CX4 tetrachloromethane, etc. But another case, these 4 electron pair containing tetrahedron arrangement at that time 3 bond pairs and 1 lone pair, trigonal pyramidal shape. Example: NX3. Another situation, 2 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs are present at that time phi shape. Example: water molecule, oxyfluoride, sulfur dichloride, etc. So this is the arrangement of electron pairs and shape. So another arrangement is a example, fourth example. If electron pair, 5 electron pair, at that time geometry, trigonal bipyramidal and sp3d types of hybridization. There are 4 situations. First, 4 pair of electrons are present and 0 lone pair. Second situation, 4 bond pairs and 1 lone pairs. Third situation, 3 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs. And fourth situation is 2 bond pairs and 3 lone pairs. Fourth example. Okay. Fourth example contain 5 electron pairs at that time, arrangement, geometry, trigonal bipyramidal and hybridization sp3d hybridization. So if molecule containing 5 bond pairs at that time, a trigonal bipyramidal types of shape. Okay, example PF5. If molecule containing 4 pairs, bond pairs and 1 lone pair, at that time irregular tetrahedron, that is TeCl4 example. If containing 3 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs at that time T shape, that is ClF3 molecule. And for situation bond pairs present 2 electron pairs and 3 lone pairs at that time linear types ICl2, I3 minus, etc. Next is the fifth example, 6 electron pair. At that time octahedron, say octahedron geometry. And what is the hybridization? sp3d2 types of. There are 3 situations. 6 all electron bond pairs are present and 0 lone pair. Second situation, 5 electron pairs are present and 1 lone pair. 4 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs. Fifth examples contain 6 electron pair is a octahedral geometry, sp3d2 or d2sp3 types of hybridization. 6 electron pairs are present at that time octahedron shape of molecule, that is present a sulfur hexafluoride, selenium hexafluoride, etc. PCl6. It is an example. Another example, octahedron dsp3 d2sp3 types of hybridization. Bond pairs are 5 and 1 lone pairs to form say square pyramidal types of shape. Okay, IF5. Next example, 7 electron pair. This is the special case. Okay, so in this 7 electron pairs is a pentagonal bipyramidal arrangement. And what is the hybridization? sp3d3 types of hybridization. There are 2 situations. 7 bond pair are present and 1 lone pair, 0 lone pair to forms a pentagonal bipyramidal type of shape, IF7. If present 6 bond pair and 1 lone pair, at that time irregular octahedron types of shape. Example, SbBr6 3- or xenon hexafluoride. It is a irregular octahedron shape of molecule. Okay, so here limitation of valence shell electron pairing. First, initially this theory proposed for regular geometry of sample molecule. Regular geometry, in this only consider a bond pairs of electron. After this also use a irregular geometry. It means presence a consider lone pair of electron. Okay, so electron pairs, bond pairs, it means electron involved in bonding. Lone pairs, non electrons are not involved in bonding, non-bonded electron also consider. Okay, so second is this theory is also applicable only the type of molecules which contains central atoms A attached with the B and B are not attached with C. Okay, means isolated molecules only were used valence shell electron. This is the most important limitation. Third limitation, these many molecules, the VSPR theory fails to most of the 14 electrons are present. Just we are discuss a 7th example, means IF7 molecule. Okay, so in this IF7 molecules we use a sp3d3 types of hybridization. sp3d3, it means 14 electrons are present at that time. This pentagonal bipyramidal structure for sp3d3 hybridization is observed in IF7 or radium ReF7, where no lone pairs are present, and these fails account for the geometry of molecules. This theory fails. Okay, so last, alkaline earth metals. Alkaline earth metal, alkali and alkaline, yes orbitals in periodic table. second group element. Alkaline earth halides alkaline earth halides are ionic in solid state. They are covalent in vapor state, where some of them have a bent phi shape. Okay, and they are cannot explain by whisper theory, valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. This is the another limitation. Okay, so next lecture we are discuss a assignment, chapter 3 assignment, and also discuss a start a new chapter, first atomic structure in quantum mechanics. So if any queries, if any doubts, comment me. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.